Oh boy, I'm super excited for Christmas. My favorite time of the year. Yeah, you said it, Knuckles. I like Christmas. Knuckles? Koopa? What is it, Boris? Yeah, what is it? Well, as you can see, there's gonna be a blizzard. Wait, what? Yeah, we're gonna get a blizzard. Oh man, you're right, Boris. Yep, we're gonna get a blizzard. Come on, let's do something before the blizzard gets here. Some eggs. And a little poop emoji. Knuckles, that's gross. No, it's not. It tastes like chocolate. How? I don't know. Alright, did you got the food before the blizzard? Yeah, we got the food right here. Oh, okay. Hey guys, what's going on? Spidey, listen, this is really important. We're getting a blizzard. Wait, what? Yeah, we're getting a blizzard. Huh, you don't say. Yeah, okay. I agree that we're getting a blizzard. Me too. So, you got the food? Yeah, right here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure how many minutes that we're gonna get a blizzard. Me either. Hey guys, what's up? Oh, hey there, Sonic. Yeah, what's up? Pretty good. Wait, why is there the food? Because we're getting a blizzard. You're being silly, Knuckles. Wait, what? Yeah, we're getting a blizzard. Wait, we're getting a blizzard? Yes. Yeah, we're getting a blizzard. I think you're right. And that's why we brought the food right here. Oh, right. Yeah, I'm not sure how many minutes that we're gonna get a blizzard. Maybe like 5 minutes? Wait, what? Yeah, 5 minutes until we get the blizzard. Oh man, we should tell everyone about this. Hey guys, what's going on?
Ah, look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Oh man. Wait. Why is there the food? Because we're getting a blizzard. Oh, a blizzard, huh? Yeah, a blizzard. Well, how many minutes until we get the blizzard? Well, like 5 minutes. What? Yeah, 5 minutes till we get the blizzard. And that's why that you got the food, especially that poop emoji. Yes. Oh, okay. I guess I could join. Okay. Well, it's kind of like 7 o'clock p.m. I think we're gonna get the blizzard right now. Well, I'm not sure. Wait, hold up. Well, I guess it's snowing about now. Yes, it's snowing. Well, at least we have lots of food, right? Yeah. Yes, we have food. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, agree. Ooh, a poop emoji. Nom 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 nom. Man, when will this blizzard end? It's kinda like 1 hour. I'm not sure, Sonic, but I think it should stop right now. Whoa. Huh. I guess that the blizzard is over. What should we do now, Sonic? Well, do you know that it's gonna be Christmas? Christmas? I love Christmas. Yeah, me too. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.